I wanted to just see. Oh, those poor cops.
There is hella fucking people out here. Hella cops. Hella ambulance. We got a bag for
We
this.
got a fucking bag for crying out loud. Oh, fire.
Oh, good. They're bringing it over so we can't see anything. Go back over here, babe. I think they're trying to block us from seeing stuff, but it's not gonna work because we got cameras. They're bringing someone out in a bag. Someone got hit. Someone got hit. In front of the thingy. The train.
They're bringing out a bag?
They got a bag. So I don't think it's good.
Oh man, they're all maybe. Do you see that on the rail?
What did you see? I know, I was thinking about that. He saw it last night.
I saw it last night.
The person under the wheel? I don't know.
Like that, we're on the news?
Yeah, really. I'm taking video.
Are you?
I'm taking video.
Into Cairo 7.
I'm gonna post it on Facebook.
Yeah.
He said the fucker's still alive though.
Really? No way.
Yeah, there's somebody underneath that train.
Oh my God.
Do you live down there too?
He's still alive. Oh, that poor bastard. Oh, I hope.
You want to walk right there?
Yeah, let's go down there, sweetheart.
Did you just see that saw?
Oh my God.
Oh man,
That's ridiculous.
I don't understand how people can like not see it coming from about.
Yeah, I don't understand that. Was that his car over there? Because I know there was a car over there.
In the car. I don't know.
Oh. Huh? Yeah. That scared the dog.
Does he walk? Oh, there he is.
Yep. Oh, we see him.
Oh, there's too many guys anyway.
Mm-hmm. I see feet. Oh, they're moving.
I feel sorry.
He's alive. I bet he doesn't want to be right now, but he's alive. Oh, that's gotta suck. How do you, yeah, how do you not know a train's coming? That's my big question. How do you not know a train is coming? True that.
I need some lighting.
Well, if you're drunk, you shouldn't be around them. You're on trains. how it's cold out here.
Wow, let's look at him.
Oh yeah.
He is.
He's fucked up.
He's shredded. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's.
Ow!
His stomach is open.
Uh-huh. Woohoo! Excitement in Everett! The only time everything ever happens when people get hurt.
I know.